Alright guys, I'm having an issue with the noise in my car. No check engine lights, but here, I'll keep it in neutral. Alright, and then I'll put it in drive with some load on it. It was worse before. There's my oil sending unit light flashing. I don't think the two are related. I do burn a little bit of oil. Not burn it, but it goes somewhere. So I have to add a quart every other week. Let me know if you guys have a solution to this. I have one more video on this noise. It sounds like it's coming from the center of the engine. Really weird noise. If you have any ideas, just post a comment. Thanks.